video, I'm going to show you how to upload to Neatoshop. So first, you have to make an account for Neatoshop.com, and once you do, you have to sign into your account, and then you're going to go to Add New Artwork. Once you're at Add New Artwork, you're going to go to the title section right here, and you're going to type in the title of your design. So my design is a 5th grade teacher for life design with an elephant, so that's going to be the title of my title. So here I'm going to put 5th grade teacher for life. Okay, once you put your title, you're going to go to this section right here, which is the tag section. And then all you have to do is put in 8 tags. So I'm just going to put everything that is relevant. Okay, so once you're finished with the tag section, all you have to put is a description. Just put a story or how you created it or anything to describe the design. In this section, it's the category section, and you're going to put a seasonal favorite. And if this relates to any of these topics, and you're going to put that in. Mine does not relate, but if it's definitely like a Christmas or Father's Day or Halloween, you definitely want to check mark those boxes. So for the main categories, there's animals, anime, books, and so on. So for mine, it's just an artistic t-shirts, original art. But if it fits on anything else, then you definitely want to check box that part. Once you go to upload file, this is the actual part where you're going to actually upload your design. So I'm going to click choose file. I'm going to select my file and I'm going to upload it right here. As you can see, I uploaded my file. It says 5th grade teacher for life with the elephant. And if you have any trouble with the actual dimensions, it's right here. And you just want to read that. And you can also contact them as well if you have any questions about that. Now for this section is the watermark. So anytime you upload to a website like this, there might be some people that are just going to copy and paste it, and it's up to you if you want to watermark it or not. For this demonstration, I am going to watermark it, so I'm going to checkbox that. For this section is the colors. I'm going to see what colors fits the best for this one. I definitely want black. It's one of my favorite ones to do. The other colors I probably want to do is charcoal, deep royal, and probably navy. And that's about it. You can definitely check box all of them if you want to, but I just want to do the ones that I want to do. And I'm going to press create product. Okay, so after you press create product, this is a section where you're going to have to adjust your designs. You're going to scroll through each one and you can adjust them accordingly. So for this one is a t-shirt, and you can make it smaller by going to this section on the bottom, and I'm just going to scroll to the left. So you made it smaller. I definitely don't want that. I'm going to scroll it back up. It's a little too big now. Maybe just put it down a little bit, and I'm going to center it. And this one, even though I centered it in my design, I probably didn't center it correctly. So I'm going to just move it manually. That's about right. So I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm just going to do this manually for the tank top. And I'm going to just probably make it a little smaller. All right. And then after that, I have to go through each product and just adjust them accordingly. Okay, so once you adjusted all the products, and then you're going to press Save Print Preview. It's going to say your artwork print preview setup has been updated. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go to Edit Artwork Details just to make sure all the details are correct. I'm going to double check everything. I think it looks great. Submit changes. And then after that, I'm going to go to View Product Page. And as you can see here, it's uploaded to Neatoshop.com.